Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. Today I want to show you a pot that I decorated, and I made the leaves and the little face and everything. And I'm going to be transplanting this donkey tail into the pot. Got some old dirt I'm going to use. Got my gloves and my spoon, I call it. And I put at the bottom an old coffee filter just so the dirt doesn't run out. But if you're interested in me doing a video on how I made this pot, I'll be happy to show you. If I can get at least 10 people to say, make the pot, hashtag make the pot, in the comments below, I'll do a video on how I make this, or how I made this. I'll probably do it on a smaller pot, but you will still get the idea of how this is done. So let's get started on transplanting this donkey tail into the pot. Okay, I'm going to put some of this old soil in here first. Actually, I probably should use some other soil that I have. This is all dried up, but it's okay for the bottom. I'm going to soak it in well. So I'm just going to put some of this dirt in here. Of course, I didn't put my gloves on, but do that in a second. And this one had a rock in it. Okay, see if that's enough dirt. Let me put my glove on. At least one glove, y'all. And this donkey tail kind of likes a little bit more shade than what it's getting. So put it in here. And a couple little pieces have fallen off, but that's okay, because they might germinate. And I was going to give this pot away, and I contacted one of my YouTube sisters. Well, I mentioned something in one of her videos, and that there's no way to contact her. I think she doesn't have email. But I was going to give this to her as a surprise, but I couldn't surprise her. Okay, guys, I got to get some more dirt. Be right back. Okay, I got this dirt from another plant that didn't make it. And sometimes I like to use gloves because I like to be able to feel what the soil is, you know, if it's dry or moist. And sometimes you can't always tell by just looking at it. Now this soil looks like it's moist, but it's actually really dry. So, if you're new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy gardening. I do all kinds of crazy stuff around the house that I think you will enjoy. And just because I look mean on my videos, I'm not. I just got that face. It's one of those faces only a mother could love, y'all. Okay, with this other pot here that I got the dirt out, if you guys are interested in seeing how I made this pot, I'm going to use probably maybe this pot to make another one. Okay, so here it is. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share a video with your friends if you think that's something that they would also enjoy. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care and be safe. Here's my pot in its temporary new home. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it out here. I didn't spray it or anything to protect it, so we'll see how it holds up. I'm not sure if I pointed out to you guys. Look at the lizard imprint right there. I did that with an old piece of jewelry. And on that side, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like an imprint of a ladybug and an imprint of a bird. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Okay, there you can see the imprint of the lizard and the ladybug, and the bird is right there by her raggedy teeth. Okay, guys, I enjoyed this video. I hope you did too, and I'll see you next time.